Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make imported files show outside of your main canvas in Photoshop on the web 2026. To begin, open Photoshop on the web and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, click New Blank File. From here, choose any canvas size you want for your project, then click Create. The exact size doesn't matter for this demonstration, so feel free to use whatever works best for you. After a brief moment, your new document will open and you'll see a blank canvas ready to work with. Now that the canvas is set up, the next step is to import an image. On the left side of the screen, click Add Image. This lets you bring a file in from your computer. Select any image you want to use, then click Open. Give it a moment to load into the document. As soon as the image is imported, Photoshop on the web automatically switches to the Size and Position tool. You'll know it's active because a blue outline with handles appears around the image. That blue border is important because it shows the image is selected and ready to be adjusted. In other words, you can now move it, resize it, and place it exactly where you want. Next, move your cursor inside the image, then click and drag. As you do this, you may notice that part of the image goes outside the white canvas area. That is completely normal, and it's the main thing to understand in this tutorial. Photoshop is not deleting that part of the image, and it isn't permanently cropping it either. It's simply showing you that only the portion inside the canvas is visible in the final design. The rest of the image still exists outside the canvas, which means you can always drag it back into view later if needed. If you want to change the size of the image, move your cursor to one of the corner handles on the blue outline. Click and drag the corner to make the image larger or smaller. If your goal is only to reposition the image, click back inside it and drag it to a new spot without using the handles. This makes it easy to fine-tune both the placement and the scale until everything looks right. Take your time here and adjust the image until you're happy with the result. Once you're finished, click Done at the bottom of the screen to apply the changes. You can also press Enter on your keyboard if that's faster for you, and that's all there is to it. The Size and Position tool makes it simple to move and resize imported images, even when parts of them extend outside the main canvas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.